Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you several things you can do with a can of garbanzo beans. So the first is just to make roasted garbanzo beans on a baking sheet, a little bit of salt, pepper, Italian seasonings, chili powder, whatever you want. And then those go in the oven. And now falafel. So I have taken 1 can of garbanzo beans, 3 cloves of roasted garlic, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. And I have processed it in the food processor. And then in the bowl, I have 1 egg. Oh, that's loud. Okay. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond flour. This is a 1/2 tablespoon. So 2 of those. And I believe that's it. Yes, that's it. Oh no, the onions. So I have a 1/4 cup of chopped onions that I've squeezed the moisture out of. I'm going to add those to the bowl. And then the mixture. Sorry it's so loud, guys. Let's see. Where do you want this to go? So this is going to sit for a few minutes. So I'm just going to get it mixed up. It's going to set while we do some other things. So garbanzo beans are very versatile. They have just a light buttery flavor. The roasted garbanzo beans are great in salads and soups and rice pilafs and you name it, they're good. They're good in pastas. Okay. So this is going to sit for just a few minutes. So the roasted garbanzo beans, you can take them out when they're still soft and they're really good in all the recipes I was just talking about. But if you want them to be more of like a snack, you can roast them until they're crunchy and they're delicious. It's a healthy replacement for chips or popcorn or anything like that. So they have studied different places in the world where people live the longest, and one of the things they all have in common is that they all eat a lot of beans, nuts and seeds, greens, and whole grains. So we really need to try to incorporate those things in our daily diets. So using the garbanzo beans in all these different ways helps you to get them into your diet. So the liquid in the can of garbanzo beans, most of you have probably heard, you can make mayonnaise with it. The liquid is called aquafaba, and you can make a vegan mayonnaise. And you can also use it as an egg replacement in a lot of recipes. So I have a 1/4 cup of the aquafaba, and I am going to add, let's see, a 1/4 teaspoon ground mustard. So I'm just going to eyeball it. It doesn't have to be exact. And then 1½ teaspoons apple cider vinegar. And this is 1½ teaspoons because this is 1/2 tablespoon. And some salt. Oh, you can either drizzle the it depends on what you're using. In this type of container, you can go ahead and put the olive oil, or this type of machine, you can go ahead and put the olive oil in now. Or if you're doing like a blender or an immersion blender, you can drizzle it in later. But we're going to go ahead and do it now, and it's 3/4 of a cup. Oh wow, this is heavy. Okay. And then you just blend it up. And you can add garlic or any kind of seasonings you want for whatever. You can also use lemon juice instead of the apple cider vinegar. So here it is, a homemade vegan mayonnaise. There's my jar. And you can just put it in a jar. It'll thicken once it's refrigerated for a while. It'll thicken some more. Oh. And it'll stay in your refrigerator in a closed container for up to 2 weeks. Awesome. So if sorry, I need to use this again for the hummus, so I need to rinse it out. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know what I was saying. So this, I will put a lid on it in a little while, but I'll go ahead and set it in. Okay, so this is a quick hummus. I don't have tahini. A lot of times you traditionally use tahini in hummus, but this time we're not. That's okay. I have a little bit of lemon juice. Oh, that's what I was going to tell you. If you want your roasted garbanzo beans soft, they don't take long, but I'm leaving them in, and so they're probably going to get crunchy. Okay, so just a little lemon juice, some of my roasted garlic. I like a lot of garlic. Some salt, and whatever else, cumin, any kind of seasoning you want. Red pepper, again, anything. And it needs a little bit. I probably could have used a little bit more lemon juice. That definitely needs some more liquid. I'm going to try something I've never tried before, but I have all this aquafaba from all these cans of peas, so I'm just going to try to add some of that in there. So just a tiny bit. basically whatever you want in it. So, it's great with vegetables, pita bread, whatever. Shaylee, you want to try it? My daughter is going to be my taste tester. You better say it's good. Is it good?
It's normal.
Normal? Mmm. Good. That's real good. Okay. All right, so we've done hummus, we're doing falafel, crunchy peas, vegan mayo. Okay, so with the falafel, it just needs to sit and come together for a few minutes. And probably it could use a little, I mean, really 15 minutes, but since we're doing it like this, we're not going to wait the full 15 minutes. I'm going to heat this up. And what we're going to do is we're just going to brown it a little bit in the pan. And then you put it in the oven at 400 for about 10 minutes or more. So I'm not sure what recipes you can substitute the aquafaba for, or substitute this for the eggs in some recipes, but I'm not sure which ones. Okay, so we have our pan heated up. We'll make a little patty. Just a little patty. Put it in the pan. So we're just going to brown these. On each side to get them browned. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, this is a little bit boring now. I'm just waiting for these to brown on each side. So basically you get the picture. You brown them on each side, put them on a baking sheet in the oven, 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and you have falafel. Let's check our chickpeas, our crunchy chickpeas. Okay, they're getting crunchy. They're like halfway between soft and crunchy, but they're a great snack. And they're addicting, but it's okay because they're healthy. You're doing something good when you're eating them, so. There you go. Okay. So garbanzo beans have lots of protein, fiber, and tons of vitamins and minerals. So they're awesome. And I don't know if you guys want to wait or if you're like, okay, had enough. These are frying, they're browning. The crunchy garbanzo beans are getting crunchier. They go really quick. Like, you got to keep checking them because they will burn. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I think we'll just, you get the picture with this. They're browning nicely in the pan. They're sizzling. They're going to brown on both sides. Then they're going to go in the oven on 400 for 10 minutes. The crunchy garbanzo beans are almost done. They're going to come out. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something about garbanzo beans. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.